Water is essential to every aspect of our life, from public health and food security to economic development and environmental sustainability. Yet, around the world, water systems face increasing stress. At the United Nations University Institute for Water, Environment and Health, UNU-INWEH, which is also known as the UN's think tank on water, for nearly 3 decades, we have been working on the most pressing water, environmental, and health problems of the world, with a particular attention to the global south. Water scarcity is the reality that many people have to live with on a daily basis around the world. In Africa, the impacts are already visible. The Niger River's flow has declined by 40% in the past 3 decades. Lake Chad has contracted by 90% since the 1960s. In 2018, Cape Town came close to running out of water, a moment that is widely known as the Day Zero. Across the continent, 1 in 3 people faces water scarcity. Over 400 million people lack reliable access to safe drinking water. Nearly 800 million people do not have access to adequate sanitation and hygiene facilities. In the dry and even in some wet parts of Africa, we have reached this state of water bankruptcy, where demand exceeds the renewable water supply. As a result, rivers and wetlands are shrinking and desertification is accelerating. Many regions are now overusing their groundwater reserves, a finite resource that is being depleted much faster than it can be replenished, which could affect many aspects of our communities' livelihoods. Agriculture accounts for 70% of the freshwater used globally. Energy production, including hydropower and biofuels, competes for water resources. Rapid urbanization adds new pressure to the already aging infrastructure. These dynamics are interconnected and very complex. So addressing one issue in isolation can only create new challenges elsewhere. This underscores the need for an integrated and evidence-based water management. At the same time, public understanding of water issues remains limited. Journalists and media professionals play a key role in translating technical insights into accessible information, but many lack access to data or specialized training in environmental reporting. Strengthening environmental journalism is not just about reporting, it's about improving public understanding and supporting sound decision-making. By working together, scientists, policymakers, and media professionals can ensure that water stories are accurate, informed, and impactful. To address this, the African Union of Broadcasting, UNU-INWEH, HOC Montreal, and a range of international partners are launching a global initiative to strengthen water-related journalism. This program will provide the media professionals and journalists with technical tools, scientific context, and opportunities for cross-regional collaboration. This initiative is an essential step toward building more resilient societies by equipping those who tell the stories that shape our future. Many thanks for joining us for this webinar today.